Welcome to my kitchen, friends, family, and friends. This is the weakfish that I caught yesterday, and I am going to cook this fish up. And thanks for joining me. Okay, first of all, I'm going to prep the fish. I'm going to clean the fish. So generally, I like to clean my fish with like lime, or actually I had cut some garlic here, so I like to clean my fish with lemon. And I may have to cut some of the fins off and things like that. So I'm going to put some lemon on him. That way he doesn't even have the fish doesn't even have a fishy smell on it or nothing, because I did clean him out. Earlier, so there's no scales on him. All the scales and everything seems to be pretty cleaned up. I do tend to want to take off the back scale. So the skin is very soft, very soft. I still have lemon on the fish, so I'm still cleaning it off a little bit. Rinse the fish off. I can tell you that the skins flavorful fish. Okay, I think he's actually longer than, I think he's actually almost 21 inches. So, okay. So, fish is ready to prep, it's ready to go. What am I going to use? First thing, I'm going to put a little lemon on the fish. Okay. I'm going to use 3 different seasonings. I'm going to use Grace, traditional fish seasoning. I like to season my fish well. I know some people don't really season the fish that much, but I like to season my fish. Especially this area here. Makes the fish real tasty. Okay. I'm also going to use a little bit of Mrs. Dash. And that is the garlic, because this fish does really well with garlic. Well, mostly all fishes do really well with garlic, and this is onion and herb. So we got a little onion and herb. And turn the fish around. Okay. So make sure that he's seasoned really well with that. Make sure the seasoning is all inside here on the meat. You know, I like to just cook my fish whole. I have a little bit of garlic that I'm going to rub on the fish. Take the pepper. Okay. Pepper. I'm going to cut the peppers a little bit longer. I want it to sort of just give the fish more flavor. I just think that the garlic that I put on top of the fish along with the peppers is going to give it like a really good taste. So I really should have just going to put a little bit of vegetables over the fish here. Okay. Okay, so now we've got the vegetables, we've got the garlic. We're gonna throw a little bit more lemon on here. Okay. And a little bit more garlic seasoning, just a little bit more. Not too much. And so I think that the peppers are gonna give it a nice sweet flavor. And I have some scallions that I like to use for this. Not too much. So scallions are not going to get cut too big, so we're going to just take the scallions and put them right on top here. And some carrots on the side, scallions. And here we have a little bit of dill. Don't want to use too much dill. Maybe just a couple of herbs of dill here. And here we have a little bit of cilantro. We're going to add a little bit of cilantro. So this is what the fish looks like. Okay, and one thing that I'm going to do, so very little piece of butter here. Not a lot, just maybe a little bit of butter right on top of here. That's good. So the idea is to allow these vegetables to cook a little bit. Right, so this is what the fish looks like, folks. And we're gonna put it in the oven for about 25 minutes at 375. All right, I believe this fish is done. Look at this fish, everybody. Wow. Oh man, the juices are flowing. The juices are flowing. Turn this baby around. Okay. Temperature should be right around 140. Perfect. There we are. 145. This fish is done. Folks. Just baste the fish a little bit. All right, amigos, friends and family, bon appetit. Fish with roe.